welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing in Top of OL. Sorry, I didn't do a video for a while. Yes, and I have a guest. The name is called Kaylar. Hi, I haven't done with my intro. The name is called Kaylar.
Yes.
So, how dare you? So, as you see, we're playing Tower of Heck. And Nelson was gonna join, but like he don't have any, his battery is like gone and stuff. And Nelson is beside Kaylar. So hi, Nelson.
Yep. Hi.
So
he's just gonna check. We're gonna raise. And the judge. Yeah.
Wait, how are you the judge?
I'm gonna check on you guys. So who wins first gets a point.
I'm already in the lead.
But if we won in the together in one round, then
we both get same. We both get a point.
So guys, you guys might be wondering why I'm still with Teresa, and it's because I am back to the group. Cool, right?
Yeah. Hi, Kaylar.
Yeah, I'm back to the
So,
group
guys, if you guys see Ike's YouTube channel, you will see like Kaylar was kicked out from the group, but then now she's back in.
Because it was a misunderstood, and I told her everything about it, and now she's like, "Okay, you're back."
I haven't even died yet.
She's back.
Yes, I'm showing off. I didn't. Oh gosh, I'm scared.
This thing is hard.
Guys, help! I'm scared. No! Guys, no! And also, guys, if you don't see me, you guys won't see me, but I'm wearing my new pajama, which is my favorite. No, it is not a sunflower pajama, because there is no sunflower pajamas, and I really want to find a sunflower pajama. So, yeah.
Oh, she won. She gets 50,000 points.
No, guys, do you guys see that? Like, oh wait, do you guys see
so
that?
if I win, you have to come to my house. If you win, then you have to come to. I have to come to your house.
No, we're not doing that.
Why?
Because I don't want to do that. Who have most points will go to their house.
Yeah. That's what I meant.
Oh. But I don't want to go to your house.
Well,
your house is tiny.
At least I can go to my big house. At least she can go swim. She has a swimming pool. You don't even have it.
We can do water balloon fight. We can do a water balloon fight.
She has a futuristic swimming pool, so yeah.
We can do water balloon fight.
Yeah.
In my spot.
No. We can go swim and do a water balloon fight.
Fine. Gosh, I hate you. Guys, I wish I have a swimming pool in my house, so I can just swim and not in Kaylar's dirty pool.
Hey, stop! You're so rude.
I know. Guys, and also Nelson, stop! You're not a goth girl.
Oh my God! I got a reconnection.
She's gonna join back.
She still get a plus point.
Yep.
But still, I want the XP.
So guys, if you guys wanna see my face cam, like the squad's face cam, which is me, Kaylar, Ike, Stacy. Stacy is a new member, and maybe Nelson. Maybe.
I'm not. If I get a computer, of course.
Stacy is our new member, so yeah, like Charlie from Inquisitor Master. Charlie is the new member in Inquisitor Master, so yeah. And also Stacy is going to do a YouTube channel called, yes, it's called Stacy Tube. But she's gonna call you guys sunflowers, call you subscribers, whatever. I think it's called Happy Purple Daisies, but she's just calling Purple Daisies for short. So yeah.
Hey, happy daisies. Hey, fat daisies. I won't make it.
Oh, you were so close to making it, but like, the Wi-Fi hates you, so like, bye-bye. I'm gonna make you work in the cool.
I'm still gonna win over here.
Whatever.
Yep.
Oh gosh. No! I already died!
I told you I'm pro.
Yeah, show off her. Like, why she show off, like...
No, yeah! She died!
Thank you so much, Nelson. I love you.
50,000 kills in
I mean, like, not love you in, like, thing, but, like, love you in, like, as a friend.
I hate you as a friend.
I hate you, no. I mean, I hate you too.
I like my subscribers for a friend. You're not a
I'm gonna
Yeah,
die. Oh, no! No! No, I hate you!
Go, quick! Here, go!
I hate you, Nelson. I thought you was on my side.
I would never be on your side.
What if I give you Robux? Will you be on my side?
Of course!
Gold digger!
Million Robux.
What if I give you like 1 Robux?
Oh, I would not be inside.
But Kayla didn't give you even 1 Robux. Just 0 Robux.
H21 give me 5 Robux. So yeah, I bought a new shot.
A shot?
So yeah. Lisa, are you that dumb?
Oh,
Because
gosh.
I already make it.
Already?
No! No!
Oh gosh.
Why, God? I thought I was the perfect girl for you. I thought I was the most succeeded girl.
Succeeded? How did you say succeeded? Succeeded?
I don't know. Succeeded.
Guys, comment down below how do you say like succeeded.
I know it, but
Come on! Why am I so bad?
I got a reconnection again.
Ha 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 ha. Ooh, she's gone.
Now some
Stop it, Elsa. Ah!
Okay, I'll stop. Oh, why is this not working?
Look at the Wi-Fi. Are you at the right Wi-Fi? I don't know. Are you at the right Wi-Fi?
Duh. Listen, am I at the right Wi-Fi?
We're saying right white. Oh gosh.
Wait.
I don't like you, Kayla. You stupid Kayla. What are you doing, Kayla?
Really carefully.
Haha. Guys, I saw like these glitches.
Yeah, and your glitches are stupid. It's not stupid. Why did you take that?
What? I don't have anything.
I bought that glitch for you guys are copycat.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't copy you. I saw it in like YouTube, so I copied it. I'm so smart. Oh, hello.
I'm also so smart.
But I'm smarter than you.
Guys-
How dare you copy me? I shouldn't have just. I hate you.
I love myself. I hate Kayla.
I know, right? We hate Kayla, right?
No. You guys are so mean. Bye.
No, I love
The
you.
subscribers love Kayla.
Yeah, the subscriber love Kayla. But we hate Kayla. I'm so close winning. No, 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 no! No!
Oh my god, yes!
I'm gonna hit Kayla with the pillow! Yeah! My computer's gonna break. I just missed my money.
Yes, Kayla got it! Kayla got it! Oh my god!
Guys, comment down below if you think Kayla's better than me.
Of course. Everybody will say yes. Like, literally. Are you that dumb? I can't believe you're dumber than me.
Guys, comment down below if you... Actually, guys, like if you think Kayla's mean to me.
Hey!
Guys, like it, just
I
like
would
it.
not lie.
Just like it, guys, like it.
Subscribe if you think I'm not mean to her. No, just like if Kayla's not mean to her. No. Just like to her friends one. So you can be richer than her.
What? Did you just fall?
Wait, Kayla got 2 points. Yeah.
I was gonna get 44 points at the purple part, but I lost.
Yes. Even if you win, I'm also gonna win.
What did I do, lasers? Am I so bad? Darvel, I thought you loved me. Haha. Thank you, Tower Pal, for killing Kayla. You're making me happy now.
Guys, you know what? I changed my mind.
What?
Subscribe if you think I'm better than her. Like if you think I'm better than her, my sister. No, I'm better than everyone. And I really want to race with Pink Leaf. Pink Leaf?
Oh,
Yeah, I want to
really?
see
Hello, Kayla.
Pink Leaf would.
You just died in front of my face. Oh gosh, there's no.
Well, I guess I wasted my money.
Same.
I mean, you wasted more money than I thought.
What did I do?
Because I won with that.
And by the way, guys, Kayla have like 11,000, and she said she wasted her money. Like
That's 13,000.
13! Oh my gosh.
I mean,
Just say it. What do you mean?
well, I only have 6,000 or 7,000 or 8,000, 9,000.
Well, that's still more than me.
Well, it's because I'm pro.
Guys,
Like and subscribe if I'm smart.
nope.
Guys, as you guys can see, I was hacked.
No!
And I'm back.
Kayla, can you
That's why
please
I'm
buy
only
Invis?
19.
I'll buy Invis in the next round, please.
What?
Invis.
Why?
Please. I suck at this.
Why?
Because I suck at this. Please.
No, you're not fine.
Please, Kayla, I beg you.
If I win this, I'm not gonna undo it.
Kayla, it's not fair.
No, okay, buy it.
Buy it, Kayla. You die.
Only if I jump in.
Kayla!
Fine. Only if I get there.
Kayla! It's not fair.
I'm almost there. Like, literally.
So, guys, I'm going to have to end this. So, bye, guys.